All right. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sebastian Tolomeo, and I'm a software engineer. And at City Furniture.
Yeah.
Thank you. And I am the creator of EasyCV.app. So what EasyCV.app is a resume builder. And how I came up with this idea was I was browsing Reddit because I was working on building my own resume. And I came across a post which was one of the most up-liked posts, had like 30,000 up-likes, from an ex-FANG recruiter saying, use this template to everybody because all resumes, or not all resumes, but most resumes that get sent to job or in a job forum get filtered out. So after seeing all the comments and seeing how everyone's saying, wow, after 300 applications, I finally got an interview, I was like, I should just make this easier for everyone and not have everybody waste all their time doing all the research like I did. So the problem I chose to address was what I just said. Most resumes get filtered out as soon as you hit the submit button. They literally get thrown in the trash. Yes, damn recruiters. And building a resume can be stressful and overwhelming. At least it was for me. You ask one person, they say it looks good. You ask the next person, they say change this and this and this. So yeah, that's what I chose to solve. So that is what I solved with this. All templates provided are filter proof. All the formatting that I've used and the fonts and everything, it will make it through that filter when you submit a job application. It's also super easy to build and save a resume, so let me guys show you that real quick. And here, what the?
It's okay, let's do one too many times. So there, what was there?
No, I think this is actually the, okay. Well, there was a GIF there, don't know where it went, but that's fine. Oh, it's that Boca Code hacker. He got me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in here, and I'll show you guys why really quick.
It actually showed working your resume builder, like a live GIF of it, right?
Yeah, it's live. So we're gonna go ahead and log in.
There's a senior engineer at City Furniture who can tell you how to better create those GIFs.
Yes, hopefully. And then this page is where all the magic happens. So all you have to do is follow what it says. So full name. Gives you an example there, and then you can see, without having to refresh anything, you'll see the changes right away. So, and there's a bunch of different fields here. You have education, you have skills. I'm gonna make this a little better because it hurts my eyes. But projects, all these fields.
We didn't even see, that was so fast.
What I do?
Yeah, what'd you do?
Oh, I just hit this little button and, you know.
Nice.
Nice. Sure. Better? That's good? All right. And then, yeah, I'm not going to sit here and do the resume in front of all you guys because I don't have time for that. So I'm going to hit this button. This will load an example for you. And you get a nice little example of my personal resume. And you can actually see all these fields. They're already filled out for you.
I just have to change the name and I'm all set.
Yeah, pretty much, right? Copy and paste.
Is that a progress bar? What is that?
Yes, this is a progress bar, yes.
What is that?
What I'm going to do here is save it. So when you go logged in, this will save to the database and you always have it. And then I'm going to go ahead and, already did that. I'm going to switch this back to light mode. So I'm going to hit this PDF button and make sure that looks good. That looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And we'll call this my resume for the example. Let's replace it. Let's see if we can find it here. This should be it. And yep, there's my resume. Everything looks pretty good to me. Let's make sure that these links work. Go ahead and hit a project there. Bam, perfect. All right, so that is your resume.
Nice.
And thank you guys. So for the tech stack I used, everything was written in TypeScript. I used React on my front end. I used Node and Express for my API, and I used MongoDB for my database. I added a layer of security for the user with JWT, and everything is styled using Material. And everything is deployed on Firebase. So for future updates, I definitely want to create more templates. Obviously, this is more focused for engineers, so I definitely want to have different professions, different career fields be able to use this. And I do want to include social features so other users can rate, leave feedback, comments, and I think it would just help everybody out. And that is it, guys. There's my QR code if you want to get all my information. And thank you guys for listening.